Are you tired of sore knees and aching back after spending hours tending to your garden? Well, I have the perfect solution for you, the best garden kneeler and seat. This innovative gardening tool not only provides comfortable support for your knees while kneeling, but also transforms into a convenient seat when you need a break. Whether you're planting flowers, pulling weeds, or pruning bushes, this versatile accessory will revolutionize your gardening experience and make it more enjoyable than ever before. So, watch the full video and check the video description for more details. Number 1 is As Best Pro Garden Kneeler and Seat. The As Best Pro Garden Kneeler and Seat redefine comfort and functionality in gardening tools. With a widened 10-inch EVA seat, it offers optimal support for your knees and waist, ensuring a comfortable gardening experience. The scientific structure design guarantees stability, and the latest PP material enhances wear resistance and anti-slip properties. The EVA texture adds a touch of delicacy and comfort, while the exquisite packaging makes it an ideal gift for gardeners. Upgrade your gardening with this well-crafted and thoughtful tool. Number 2 is Vivosun Portable Garden Kneeler Seat. Built to withstand the rigors of gardening, the Vivosun Portable Garden Kneeler Seat is a durable and sturdy companion. With a solid steel frame capable of holding up to 330 pounds, this kneeler provides a soft and shock-proof EVA foam pad for reduced pressure on your back, waist, and knees. Its foldable and portable design allows for easy storage and movement. Equipped with 2 tool bags made of Oxford cloth, you can conveniently carry your gardening essentials. Whether you're sitting or kneeling, expect comfort and convenience in your gardening endeavors. Number 3 is Aimerla Foldable Garden Kneeler Seat. Say goodbye to knee and back pain with the Aimerla Foldable Garden Kneeler Seat. This ergonomic design not only simplifies gardening, but also reduces strain on your body. With a powder-coated, rust-resistant steel frame, it can support up to 350 pounds. The widened, thick kneeling pad provides extra comfort, and the innovative stable tool ensures stability in various environments. Enjoy the convenience of a seat with a 14 into 10-inch wide seat and a snap-lock mechanism for quick folding and storage. This garden kneeler is a powerful and practical tool for any gardening enthusiast. Number 4 is Deerfamy Garden Kneeler and Seat. Experience gardening bliss with the Deerfamy Garden Kneeler and Seat. Designed ergonomically, it keeps you away from the hard ground, relieving pressure on your back and knees. With a width of 10.2 inches, it offers extensive knee protection and unrivaled comfort. The package includes an extra EVA kneeling pad, a pair of digging gloves, and 2 tool pouches for ultimate convenience. This foldable and portable garden seat is made of high-strength steel, supporting up to 350 pounds. Simple installation, storage, and added accessories make it a complete and practical choice for gardeners. Number 5 is Ikkle Garden Kneeler and Seat. The Ikkle Garden Kneeler and Seat redefine versatility in gardening tools. This multifunctional kneeler can be used as a knee pad, a comfortable garden bench seat, or a compact folding seat on the go. It comes complete with 2 detachable tool pouches for organized gardening. The easy-to-fold design ensures convenience in carrying and storage with no assembly required. Crafted with a sturdy metal frame, a thick and wide kneeling pad, and waterproof, washable fabric, it's a quality tool that offers comfort and practicality for every gardener. Upgrade your gardening experience with this comprehensive and ergonomic garden kneeler.